there, Nicole.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, what's going on?
Gonna go skydiving for the first time?
Get out of town.
No.
Have you been thinking about this for a long time?
I tried to put it off.
Okay. A little nervous?
No.
Okay, good. You don't mind going with the old guy, do you?
If you're still alive, that means you're doing something right.
You don't get to be an old skydiver by messing up all the time.
Nope.
Cool. Hope you have a great time. It's a beautiful day. We're about 3,500 feet off the ground.
Where are we going?
Right below.
Nice.
So what do you think of that silly stuff, huh?
I'll do it again.
Awesome. There's your friend. Beautiful. Welcome to my world. That was kind of quick. Nice, huh? You okay?
I did it.
You did, and you did really good too. So maybe we'll try this again sometime?
Maybe.
Awesome. I'm so glad you had fun.
Thank you very much.
Wave goodbye for me.
Bye.